Fossils of pterosaurs reveal that these remarkable creatures possessed enormous wingspans, categorizing them among the largest flying animals in Earth's history. Their existence during the age of dinosaurs underscores their evolutionary significance and the adaptability of life forms in prehistoric ecosystems. Furthermore, the examination of these fossils enhances our understanding of ancient ecosystems and the climatic conditions that facilitated the survival of pterosaurs millions of years ago. This accumulated knowledge is vital for comprehending the intricate tapestry of Earth's biological history. One fascinating example among prehistoric flying reptiles is the Cryodracon boreas, commonly referred to as the frozen dragon of the north winds. Its discovery has yielded significant insights into the evolutionary trajectory and ecological adaptations of ancient flying reptiles. In contrast to conventional sponges that rely on filter feeding, harp sponges have evolved a unique hunting strategy employing barbed hooks to ensnare crustaceans such as crabs and shrimp. This predatory adaptation is particularly advantageous in nutrient-scarce, deep-water environments. Moreover, harp sponges possess specialized structures with numerous veins that enhance their surface area, thereby facilitating effective prey capture. This evolutionary trait exemplifies their remarkable adaptability to the challenges posed by deep-sea habitats. Interestingly, the harp sponge's striking appearance masks its predatory behavior, illustrating a fascinating interplay between aesthetics and survival strategies. Its adaptability and distinctive feeding mechanisms render it an intriguing subject for scientific exploration. Nematodes exhibit a remarkable ability to enter a state of stasis when confronted with extreme environmental conditions, allowing them to endure prolonged periods until favorable circumstances arise. This resilience is a testament to the intricate process of evolutionary adaptation. Similarly, tardigrades, commonly referred to as water bears, are renowned for their extraordinary capacity to withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Their unique structural adaptations enable them to flourish across a wide range of habitats. Under extreme conditions, tardigrades can enter a state known as cryptobiosis, during which they retract their limbs and significantly reduce metabolic activity until conditions are conducive for revival. This remarkable survival mechanism is pivotal to their longevity. The Antarctic Treaty System plays a critical role in ensuring that the continent remains a hub for scientific research, effectively averting territorial disputes among nations. This agreement is supported by 59 nations, promoting collaborative efforts dedicated to the advancement of knowledge. In view of Antarctica's extreme climatic conditions, it is largely inhospitable to human life, with no permanent residents. Instead, researchers temporarily inhabit the continent to investigate its unique environmental phenomena. Historically, the continent was characterized by a warm and lush environment, inhabited by forests and dinosaurs millions of years ago. In stark contrast, it is now defined by its harsh climate and distinctive fauna, including penguins and seals. Frostquakes, also known as cryoseisms, occur when moisture trapped underground freezes and expands, resulting in a series of loud cracking sounds. These phenomena can displace rocks and soil, creating a disconcerting experience for those nearby. Moreover, black ice develops from a thin layer of ice that merges seamlessly with the underlying ground, rendering it virtually invisible. This phenomenon typically occurs when damp surfaces freeze abruptly. The polar vortex represents yet another winter phenomenon that introduces frigid air and influences various weather events. Its presence significantly affects our winter experiences and regional climate patterns. In a remarkable display of resilience, Jean Hilliard survived an icy ordeal when her body entered an emergency mode, redirecting blood flow to vital organs and preserving her life. This physiological response enabled her to endure severe frostbite. Numerous animals, such as tree frogs, exhibit remarkable adaptations to freezing conditions by modifying their blood chemistry. This capability allows them to survive even when their bodies freeze solid. The uniquely adapted icefish, inhabiting the frigid waters of Antarctica, possesses antifreeze proteins that prevent its body from freezing. This adaptation enables it to thrive in extreme cold, showcasing the diversity of life in harsh environments. Furthermore, the phenomenon of cryptobiosis allows certain organisms to endure extreme conditions by entering a dormant state. Such capabilities hold potential for inspiring future advancements in medical science aimed at enhancing human health in freezing environments. Widespread chaos has ensued in urban areas due to frozen water supply systems, leading to significant water shortages and infrastructural failures. These challenges profoundly impact urban populations, necessitating urgent responses from local authorities. The ecological equilibrium is jeopardized as oxygen production ceases due to the freezing of seas, adversely affecting air quality and contributing to potential respiratory issues for human populations. Megalodon stood as the apex predator of its era, reigning over the oceans for millions of years until its extinction. Its imposing size and powerful bite force rendered it a relentless and formidable hunter. Cthulhu, a fictional entity conceived by H.P. Lovecraft, is portrayed as a cosmic being endowed with vast powers, including telepathy and shape-shifting abilities. Its intelligence and ancient wisdom present significant challenges to any potential adversary. The bloop, an ultra-low-frequency sound recorded in the ocean, has ignited theories about the existence of gigantic sea creatures like Cthulhu. However, subsequent investigations revealed that it was merely the sound produced by ice breaking apart. The Antarctic Treaty serves to protect this fragile ecosystem, imposing restrictions on human activities to mitigate environmental degradation. Its primary objective emphasizes maintaining Antarctica solely for peaceful scientific purposes. Interestingly, Antarctica is classified as a desert due to its remarkably low levels of precipitation, challenging the conventional understanding of desert environments. The average rainfall recorded in the region is astonishingly minimal. The continent's distinctive wildlife, characterized by billions of krill along with various seals and penguins, exemplifies its vibrant ecosystem. For instance, penguins exhibit exceptional swimming abilities and play a crucial role within the Antarctic food web. Antarctica's unique pink sand has its origins in ancient mountains concealed beneath the ice, revealing a geological history intricately linked to glacial processes. Understanding this rich history is fundamental to comprehending the continent's formation. The blood falls, a striking natural phenomenon in Antarctica, emanates from iron-rich saltwater oxidizing upon exposure to the atmosphere, resulting in a dramatic red cascade. This unusual feature exemplifies the continent's extraordinary environmental conditions. Recent fossil discoveries in Antarctica have unveiled over a ton of remains from ancient marine life, providing invaluable insights into the region's prehistoric ecosystem. This expedition underscores the potential for significant paleontological findings in remote regions. A multitude of species, including dolphins and sharks, are facing the threat of extinction due to the impacts of poaching and habitat destruction. In response, governments are investing extensively in measures to combat these illegal activities. Moreover, the transparency of our oceans has been compromised, revealing vast quantities of plastic waste that significantly harm marine ecosystems. Consequently, global efforts to restrict plastic dumping are being implemented. Climate change is inducing severe environmental alterations, encompassing rising sea levels and enhanced ultraviolet radiation. These factors pose substantial threats to the survival of both marine and terrestrial species across the globe. Sound waves exemplify a key aspect of the Doppler effect, as they are readily observable in everyday life scenarios. Instances such as the movement of vehicles and the sound of sirens illustrate this fundamental principle. The Kola Super Deep borehole located in Russia exemplifies extreme human endeavors in drilling, achieving depths exceeding 40,000 feet. However, this project was eventually abandoned due to unexpectedly high temperatures encountered during the drilling process. In the enigmatic depths of the Mariana Trench, researchers have recorded unexplained sounds, prompting inquiries into their origins and potential ramifications for marine life. This phenomenon accentuates the increasing noise levels in our oceans resulting from human activities.